Well, the exhibit of Violins of Hope is made from violins, which many of them survived during the Holocaust. It's a collection of stories, testimonies, and live instruments that can be played as well in concerts.
Well, I knew about Violins of Hope actually before I knew that they were going to come to Knoxville, because Avshi and his father Amnon are very, very good violin makers. And when we received the email that we would have the opportunity to maybe play in some schools and have the project, I really got excited about that and asked my teacher to assign me to as much schools as possible.
One of the most important parts of the project is it's talking to the kids in school. And if they will not learn from the history and from the mistakes which were done in the past by their grand or grandparents, depends, they might make the same mistakes again.
Avshi and his father really did a great job of restoring those violins into a really, really good capacity, a concert capacity, to be able to play it in concerts, to be heard again. During the lectures he was telling the stories of the violins. So before I played every violin, I've heard its story. So it set me up emotionally to be able to play my best. Auschwitz had an orchestra, many other concentration camps had orchestras. And if you could play the violin, you would survive.